Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Bosch washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so resetting your Bosch washing machine can often resolve common issues such as error codes, unresponsive controls, or interrupted cycles. The reset procedure varies depending on your machine's model, but I've got a pretty general guide on how to do this. Alright, so to perform a general reset, you first need to power off your washing machine using the power button or by turning the dial to off position, and then we need to unplug the machine. So disconnect the power cord from the electrical outlet. Then from there, simply leave the machine unplugged for at least a minute to allow residual electrical charge to dissipate, and then plug it back in. So reconnect the power cord to the outlet. Power on, so turn on the washing machine, then choose your desired washing program and press the start button. This method is very effective for both front load and top load Bosch washing machines.